Today I'm going to be reviewing the AceCard. This is highlighted as the world's thinnest tracker, compatible with both Apple Find My and Android Find My device networks. I saw these on Kickstarter and I was looking for something that would fit in my wallet for traveling or just in case something was lost. Here's the card. The card itself is very slim. It's 1.9 millimeters, ultra thin. It's about two credit cards thick. The card itself is made out of tempered glass on both sides. There's a small Ace button on the top, and then there's nothing on the back. There is an LED light that indicates pairing mode and battery life, and there's a built-in speaker as well in the device itself. This is the black version, the only color they have available today, but they are looking at doing a red, platinum, blue, and silver color as well. If you're familiar with the Apple AirTag, you know that you pair it with your phone and then you can throw this in your wallet. And if your wallet gets lost or stolen and they don't find this device, then you have the ability to track it via your iPhone or your Android device. If you lost your wallet or you couldn't find it, maybe it's stuck between the couch cushions, you can go to your Find My app and you can play a sound. They say it's 120 decibel ringtone, but I don't think that's very loud, but hopefully you should still be able to find the card or your wallet. There's a built-in battery and they say it'll last 30 months. When the battery runs out, you do have to ship this back to Ace for an exchange and they give you 50% off a replacement card. And what they do is recycle all the pieces out of this card. The device itself is IPX7 water resistant, up to 1 meter, so about 3.3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes without harm. I don't know if I would go swimming with this, but if you fell in the pool or got splashed or spilled a drink on your wallet, this should survive just fine. Looking at the packaging, the card comes in a nice foam padded holder. It's covered on both sides with a PPF or film. And you basically just hold this button down and you pair it with your phone. All the instructions are included in the back and they're super simple to follow. What I like about this product is it's super slim and it's compatible with the Apple ecosystem. It also has a long battery life. 30 months is a long time. And it also does have the ability to play a sound if you lose your wallet. It's also very discreet. So unless somebody goes through your wallet right away, they may not know what this is. This has been my quick review on the AceCard. If you're looking for a wallet tracker or passport tracker or something that's really slim, instead of using a round Apple AirTag, I think this is a great idea. If you have any questions about my experience with the AceCard, please let me know in the comments. And I'll also leave a link in the description of where you can find these. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.